Hey, I'm Matthew from Living Tesla. Last year I made a video about how to change the cabin air filters in the Model 3, and I noted in that video that it's really difficult to reach this screw that's way up inside there. A few of you in the comments said it would be cool if we could replace that screw with some kind of thumb screw. So I used some of our snap plate contacts to see about getting a custom screw made. And it turns out the minimum order quantity is pretty high and it would make them pretty expensive. And the more I thought about it, I thought that, we still have to remove that screw even if we're going to replace it with a thumb screw. So maybe it makes more sense to just find a better tool to do that. So I've tried a few different things, but this is my favorite. It's a little finger ratchet, has a little switch on the back that changes the direction. I tried a few different bits with it. These little short T20 bits work, and that would be a lot like what that thumb screw would be. But what my favorite are these longer ones. So put it in, make sure that it's going the direction we want it to go, lefty-loosey, and we'll try it out. I don't have the car completely apart because I'm not ready to replace the filters this time, but I just have this piece drop down and we'll see if this works. So get up in there. I have plenty of room. I can move my fingers around and loosen it up. To reinstall it, just flip the switch, righty-tighty. Get it lined up again. So there you go. It doesn't make the job easy, but it makes the hardest part easier. So I'll post links in the description to the things that I'm using here, and also a link to that full video about how to change the filters since you're probably trying to do the whole job. But I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.